problem is from electric fields in material space, particularly in a circuit, diba? So, ang problem with this is the charge of 10 to the negative 4 e to the negative 3t coulombs is removed from a sphere through a wire. Find the current in the wire at t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 2.5. So, suppose nga ang charge daw is being removed from a sphere. Sa ito pa na ang charge na gikan sa sphere is flowing through a wire. So, ang ipangita dire is kung pila ang current nga ni flow sa wire at t is equal to 0. Ang kining t is equal to 0, ano siya ang current, initial current, di ba, nga ni flow sa wire. And t is equal to 2.5, ano siya ang ideal current nga ni flow sa wire with respect to time. So, di ba, ano tama, ang current is the movements of electrons in a conductor. Pag nanay kayo motion of electrons through a conductor, that's the time na makakreate ng current. Karon, pwede po siya na ang current is the rate of change sa imuhang conductor with respect to time. So, sa ito pa, rate of change sa imuhang charge with respect to time. So, given the derivative itself, so para mapana ko ang current nga mo-flow sa wire is just also equals to the rate of change sa imong charge with respect to time. So sa ito papasabutan na kung magka-increase ang imong charge, pag dili constant imong charge, sa ito pa pag dili constant imong charge, maka-create current, di ba? So I is just the derivative of your charge with respect to time, since given yung charge na 10 to the negative 4 e to the negative 3t coulombs. So, ang derivative ani, di ba? Power rule. Ang derivative ani, imo na siyang itong chain rule, imo ning inaog, di ba? Imo na siyang inaog ang negative 3t. So, that will become negative 3 times 10 to the negative 4 to the negative 4 e to the negative 3t amps. So, money ang imong current when t is equal to 0. So, ano siya ang current nga money ay initial current, di ba? When t is equal to 0. Ano siya ang imong initial current. So, ang atong ideal current, ang current ng flow sa wire with respect to time is given nga 2.5 seconds. So, di ba t? So, ato rin yung subject ang value ni t, ani. So, napoy ang ideal current napoy yung I is equals to negative 3 times 10 to the negative 4 e to the negative 3 times 2.5. So, ato yung input sa cycle, we have negative 4 shift negative 3 times 10 to the negative 4 e. So I have here, okay, now by negative 0.6593 microampere. So that's also our thank you.